The next thing you want to do is see what VectorVest thinks about your stocks. We provide a complete analysis of a stock's value, safety, and timing, and give a buy, sell, or hold recommendation on each stock every day. To analyze one of your stocks, the best place to go is the Stock Viewer. To access the Stock Viewer, click the Viewers tab, and then click Stock Viewer. The Stock Viewer is an enormous spreadsheet of all the stocks that we track. Here we're looking at one corner of a big spreadsheet. And we track about 8,000 stocks. And here we're looking at the stocks with the best combination of value, safety, and timing. We're not so concerned about all 8,000 stocks right now. We want to find your stock. To do that, just begin typing either the ticker symbol or company name in the Find Symbols box at the top of the screen. For example, I want to find Google, so I'll start typing G-O-O-G, and you can see it appear right below, so I can either hit Enter or click on it. Notice Google now appears on the screen. VectorVest gives you a wealth of information, beginning with the company name. Next, you see the ticker symbol. To the right of that, you'll see the exchange. You can see that Google is traded on the over-the-counter or NASDAQ exchange. If you saw an N there, that would represent the New York Stock Exchange, A for American Stock Exchange, B for Bulletin Board, I for Index, P for Pink Sheet, and if you see a little X in front of the exchange, it lets you know that that stock is optionable. To the right of that, you see the price, and the next two columns after that show you how much the price changed from the prior day. Starting with the value column, that's where our proprietary analysis begins, and where you will really get something special from VectorVest you won't find anywhere else. Value is what we feel the stock is currently worth. Google currently has a value of $706.06. If we compare that to the price of $527.17, we can see the price is currently under the value. So we know Google is undervalued. This is good because our philosophy is to buy safe, undervalued stocks rising in price in rising markets. If you have a stock that is overvalued, it's not telling you to go out and sell it immediately. However, it is something you need to be aware of. The next four columns, RV, RS, RT, and VST, are proprietary indicators on a 0 to 2 scale. Anytime you see a number below 1, it's unfavorable. Above 1 would be favorable. The first column is RV. RV stands for relative value, and it is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential compared to an alternative investment in AAA corporate bonds over the next 1 to 3 years. Currently, Google has an RV of 1.41, which is excellent on a scale of 0 to 2. So that's telling us over the next 1 to 3 years, Google has the potential to outperform a AAA corporate bond by 41%, which is excellent. Anytime you have an RV less than 1, that's telling you that an investment in that stock has the potential to underperform a AAA corporate bond. The next column is RS. RS stands for relative safety. Relative safety is an indicator of consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance. It's also an indicator of risk. Currently, Google has an RS of 1.08, which is fair on a scale of 0 to 2. So that's letting us know that Google is fairly safe compared to the other stocks in the database. It must be doing an okay job of meeting or exceeding earnings quarter after quarter, year after year. Companies with an RS less than 1 are riskier than the average stock in the database. The next column is RT. RT stands for relative timing. Relative timing is the short-term price trend. Since it's just looking at the price trend, RT is a technical indicator. RV and RS were fundamental indicators. RT is on a 0 to 2 scale. When RT is above 1, the stock is in an uptrend. When RT is below 1, the stock is in a downtrend. Currently, Google has an RT of 1.18, which is good on a scale of 0 to 2. That lets us know that Google's price is currently in an uptrend. The next column is VST. VST is our master indicator, which combines value, safety, and timing into a single indicator. Currently, Google has a VST of 1.2, which is good on a scale of 0 to 2. That is letting us know that Google has a pretty good combination of value, safety, and timing. To the right of VST, we have our recommendation column. We will give a stock either a buy, sell, or hold recommendation. In order to get a buy, a stock would need good fundamentals, the price would need to be above the stop price that we calculate, and it would need to be pulling away from that stop price. A stock would get a sell recommendation once the stock's price falls below the stop price. A hold recommendation would be given if the price was above the stop price, but it didn't meet the other criteria for a buy. Currently, Google has a buy recommendation. We stated at the very beginning that VectorVest believes every investor should know what their stocks are really worth, how safe they are, and when to buy, sell, and hold. So think about what we just did here. In about 30 seconds, you're able to analyze any stock. For example, with Google, you're able to see that Google is very undervalued. It has the potential to greatly outperform a AAA corporate bond over the next few years. It's fairly safe. Its price is currently in an uptrend, and it's rated a buy. Nowhere else will you be able to get such a complete analysis so quickly, and you can do this for any stock at any time. If you ever need to remember the definition for any of these indicators, we provide a stock analysis report. To access it, just right-click on the stock and select View Full Stock Analysis. It will provide a detailed report on that stock, including a description of every indicator and parameter you saw in the stock viewer, including our proprietary indicators, such as RV, RS, RT, earnings and growth information, dividend analysis, and so on. So in case you forget what RV is, you can read it right here. We not only show you the definition, but we also tell you what goes into the formula for that proprietary indicator. We recommend you print one of these out and keep it by your computer as a reference. Read through it and highlight the things you agree with and anything you might disagree with, and give us a call so we can help you.